I've gotten calls from a lot of people, and they'll tell me, Stephen, I just got served with a temporary restraining order. What does it mean? What do I do? What can I do? What can I do? I'm going to answer some of those questions if you are served with a temporary restraining order in New Jersey. A temporary restraining order means that a judge has heard from a victim and they think that there's some reason to think that the victim may be in danger if you are allowed to have contact with them or you are allowed to see them. A restraining order is a very serious matter and it's got to be dealt with seriously. What I always advise people who are served with them is first, you've got to take a deep breath because the natural reaction is you're going to be angry and you're going to want to lash out, and that's the worst thing you could do. What you have to do is immediately call a lawyer who specializes in defending people in these matters. These restraining orders are issued in a number of instances. There's usually between a husband and a wife, or a boyfriend and a girlfriend, or the father and the mother of a child who are even not together anymore. Normally what happens is if you are served, you are told you cannot contact the person, you cannot have anybody who you know contact that person, you can't make phone calls to them, you can't go to their places of work. You must follow that, because if you don't, you can have criminal charges filed against you in New Jersey if you fail to follow a temporary restraining order. The good news about it is it's called temporary for a reason. Eventually, within a few days or a week or two, you then get to appear before a judge where the victim is looking for a final restraining order, but if you hire a lawyer, you have the opportunity to defend yourself. The charges against you will be listed specifically. You have the opportunity to go through each and every charge, and you could deny and show why these are not true, and there should not be a final restraining order granted against you. If you are ever served with a temporary restraining order, you don't know what to do, you could always give me a call or find a competent family or criminal lawyer. You could call me at the number listed below, go to my website at www.ghlawnyj, and there'll be more information about what you should do if you're ever served with a temporary restraining order in New Jersey.